What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to join a guild in Free Fire. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To join a guild, tap on the Invite button on the bottom right of your main menu screen. From here, tap on the guild icon and then you can select Join Guild. You will be presented with a list of guilds that you can join. Under Status, you will see the join requirements, which are usually set to approval, which means that you will need to be approved by one of the members to join the guild, or you're required to have a certain account level to be automatically eligible to join the guild. You can even preview the server region and style of the guild, meaning if its purpose is to play hardcore, default, casual, or games to rank up. You can also see the guild level and amount of members currently in the guild. Below, you have the option to look up a specific guild in case you're interested in joining a particular guild. Make use of region filters in order to easier find the guild you're looking for. In the next tutorial, I will go over how to properly create a guild. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.